Hello guys, here's an update to the bulk flow, the tool that makes Amazon ads managing simple yet effective. So first of all, we need to go to this page and click authorize. Of course, you need to allow Google scripts to be run. Then you have to hit this button again to see this menu and to see this message that the script has finished and this section being applied. This is solely for the purpose of the making tool working the best on your computer and for your bulk file size. Here you can change how many rows at once are updated when you are running the apply new calculated bid or when you are running formulas. And the slower the computer you have, the lower this number should be. The better your computer and internet connection, the higher it can be. But also do not go above 10,000 rows because then the Google servers might struggle to do the calculations. And you can change between how many rows do you want to use. Also, it depends how many formulas you want to execute at once. If you have a lot of formulas and a lot of rows are updated, then you should decrease the number of rows that are calculated at once, just because Google servers have a limit of 6 minutes and you have to stay within it. And why higher number is better? Because reading information from your sheet to the Google memory to do the calculations also takes up a bit time. So it's always a battle between how fast you can do it and if you can do it at all. So the higher the number you have here, the faster overall the execution will be. So for example, if you will put 8,000 rows, it should be the fastest, but if 8,000 rows and each single one would have to be calculated, you would not fit into the 6 minutes time limit, and therefore even the first batch would not be executed. So you would have to knock it down to, let's say, 5,000 rows and then execute again. What's that reset progress button for? For example, you've started run formulas function and in the middle you've spotted that something's wrong, so you can always cancel the script running, but it will remember where it finished. So if you will change your formula and simply hit run formulas again, it will pick up from where it left and not start from the beginning. So this is where you can click this button, reset process, and what it will do, it will force the tool to start from row 1 instead of picking up from where it left when you stopped the script running. That's the first update. And this one is even more exciting. You can select each single target that you want to be executed. So as you can see, whenever you select targeting, after a few seconds, I know the script is a bit slow, this will get ticked on. This meaning all targeting will be affected. Let's say with this formula. Oh, my bad. Right, so CPC divided by ACOS times 25, meaning we are targeting 25% ACOS. And at this moment, every single row, meaning keyword, exact match, broad match, will be executed. And now what you can do, you can say, okay, I want this formula to be targeting only exact phrase and broad. So you can select exact phrase and broad, and the script will automatically deselect all targetings. But as you can see, it highlights it on the purple color. So whenever you scroll down here, you can see other options were selected. You can unfold and fold it back for a better view. For example, you want to target loose and close match only, and this formula now will be executed only for auto campaigns for the targets of close and loose match. One more thing, The tool becomes a bit funky when you select multiple checkboxes at once. You can see it's a bit funky and it's still doing some things. The best way to do it is select one and wait until this will update. Then you can select another ones. Another option is if you want all these formulas to be working the same, so make all selections, let's say 4 of them for this formula, and if you want to copy the selections for other rows, when you do it this way, I found that it's not having problem with it. But as you can see, this can be really powerful. You can set up one formulas to be executed for manual targetings and different formulas to be executed for auto campaigns. And you see, I did it too fast. Another one, we can select it to be targeting only if you are using category targets. So yes, this is the biggest update at this moment.